Namaskar, I'm Shamali Sinha. Welcome to Foodie. Today I'm making Dhonepatar Bora or coriander leaves fritters. Let's get started. What I have is one bunch or about 50 grams of coriander leaves, cleaned and washed. Now first I need to chop them. You can add the stem as well. All you need to do is just finely chop them. Next I'm going to cut these 2 green chilies. Now add onion seeds or Kalo Jeera, little bit of turmeric powder for the beautiful color and salt. Now I'm adding mustard oil for this sharp flavor, but if you want to avoid then add white oil and mix everything. Add this rice flour. Now what it does, it adds crispness to the bora. Next a teaspoon of besan or gram flour for binding. So now I am mixing everything with my hand and I aim to bring everything together. Add in water, not much, maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons, just enough to make a dough. So now put the lid on and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Turn on the heat and let me heat up my cooking pot. I'm going to fry these bora in mustard oil because I love the combination of mustard oil and coriander leaves. Today I had only one bunch of coriander leaves. With this mixture, I can make only 4 to 5 small bora. My oil is ready. Add in bora in the hot oil. Now I need to fry each side for 3 to 4 minutes over medium to medium-low heat so that the boras will be crispy and the outer side develops a beautiful golden color. It's done, so now I'm going to remove from oil. Today we are going to have a simple lunch after eating all these pite and fish. And I'm going to serve this bora with my rice and dal. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Give it a try and do let me know what do you think about this recipe. Until next time, bye.